Hey y'all, it's your girl Keisha. You can call me K for short. And this is my beauty channel where we do everything lifestyle and beauty. So if you want to join the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification so you will be notified when I post new videos. Hey! Okay, so I'm basically gonna be showing y'all how to slay this wig. If you want to see how I achieve this look, continue watching this video.
Okay, y'all, so I just used these wig caps here from my local beauty supply store. And then I'm going to take some alcohol and clean off my hairline before I apply the wig. You want to make sure that your hairline is clean before you apply your wig. So after I clean my hairline, I'm going to go ahead and pull my cap down around my ears and cut a hole in it and just pull out my ear, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to use this EBIN Wonderlace spray adhesive. This is my first time using this adhesive. So I'm just going to spray that along my hairline and rub it in some, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry that.
Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. In a the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Kind of blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. That make ease out.
Okay, so once everything is nice and dry, you want to take your scissors and cut off the additional cap, as you can see that I'm doing right now.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Okay, so once I cut that little piece off, it's going to be a back piece that's hanging. I'm going to basically just tie that in a knot. And you can cut that little extra piece off, but your cap is going to roll up. So if you do not want your cap to roll up, just do what you see me doing here. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this lace tint stick and I'm going to apply that all over my cap so that it's blended in with my skin for the ball cap method.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings.
I would like to get to know if it could be.
Okay, so this 18-inch beautiful highlighted wig I got from Shein, and I'm super excited to install it. I'm going to be doing a review on this wig, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. And if you're still watching the video, I need you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me and comment down below.
Be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down.
Okay, so now that I got my wig on, I'm just going to map out like my hairline and kind of pull out some baby hairs.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Kind of blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. That make ease out.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take the lace spray and just go ahead and spray my lace. So when you're doing this part, make sure that you spray the lace on that part. Do not spray the hair, just spray on that actual part right there. And try not to make it like get on the hair, because it's gonna leave a nasty, sticky residue, and it's just gonna mess everything up if you do not know what you're doing. So just spray that parting area, like the actual lace. Do not spray it on the hair. So now I'm going to take this elastic band and tie down my hair for just a couple minutes and then blow dry it some more. And this is actually how the lace is going to be laid, period. So just take that elastic band and tie it down. You can use those black strips as well, but I like to use this elastic band. And make sure y'all stay tuned, because I'm going to have these elastic bands available for purchase. So stay tuned. So once you take this band off, you want to go ahead and cut off your lace. Okay, so now you're going to get your wax stick and just apply it in the front of your hair, like in the frontal area. And then we're going to go ahead and hot comb that out. Okay, y'all, so I ended up cutting off my baby hairs. So I ended up just sectioning off just 2 baby hairs from my front part. And I'm just gonna hot comb those edges down real quick.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you
So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my little baby hairs.
tell me.
And then I'm going to take my small Babyliss Pro flat irons and curl those baby hairs upward. And that's going to make it easier to actually form the baby hairs. So I'm going to take some of my Motions foam wrap and I'm going to use that to swoop my baby hairs. And y'all already know people love to use the that blue foam wrap, but what is it, Nairobi? Yeah, Nairobi foam wrap. But actually I like using this Motions one also.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Okay, so now that we went ahead and slayed the baby hairs, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap them up and just blow dry until they are dry. Okay, so now that the baby hairs is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and perfect my part. Okay, so this is the most important part. Make sure you take your hot comb and just press the top of your hair so that your hair is laying flat and slaying, period.
All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I slayed this wig, period. Hey, let's get into it. Let's get a little closer. Stop playing with me. Like, I literally slayed this wig. I was having some trouble at first because the lace was just giving me a hard time, but I end up making it look cute because you know that's what us hairstylists do. We be making it work, period. And I slayed this wig. Like, make sure y'all comment down below if you have any questions, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.